Hi there, little friends. We're back with another interesting series, and today's video is about astronomy. Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere. That includes objects we can see with our naked eyes, like the sun, the moon, the planets, the stars, and the galaxies. What are galaxies? The galaxies are huge groups of stars along with gas and dust. Some galaxies contain as many as 1 trillion stars. The smaller galaxies may have fewer than 1 million stars. The planet Earth is located in a galaxy called the Milky Way. One of the stars in that galaxy is the Sun. Earth and the other planets revolve around the Sun. Satellites or moons revolve around the planets. Smaller objects, asteroids, and comets also orbit the Sun. All of these bodies make up the solar system. People who study these objects in space are known as astronomers. Their study covers the universe and the objects within it, like planets, stars, galaxies, asteroids, black holes, and other celestial bodies. Astronomers use an instrument to study these distant objects in space. It's called a telescope. There are two basic types of telescopes: refracting and reflecting. They look similar, don't they? So let's find out what's the difference. A refracting telescope uses lenses. A lens is a curved piece of glass that refracts or bends the light. A reflecting telescope uses mirrors. The light hits the primary mirror and is reflected to the secondary mirror. It is then reflected from the secondary mirror to the eyepiece, where the image is magnified and sent to the eye. Some reflecting telescopes use both lenses and mirrors. Now let's talk about who invented a telescope. In 1609, Galileo Galilei had designed one of his own telescope without ever seeing one. He was the first to point his telescope skyward. But interestingly, he wasn't the first one to invent it. A Dutch eyeglass maker named Hans Lippershey was the first one who claimed to have invented it. Another glass maker, Zacharias Janssen, is credited with inventing the compound microscope. Later, in 1668, Isaac Newton built a reflecting telescope. Reflecting telescopes are much more powerful than refracting ones. Now let's know a little about the different kinds of astronomy. Planetary astronomy. It is the study of planets and planetary bodies, including things like moons, comets, and asteroids. Solar astronomy. It is the study of the sun, not just any sun, but the yellow star in the center of our solar system. Stellar astronomy. It is the study of stars. Galactic cosmology. It is the study of motion and evolution of the Milky Way. Let's know a bit about astrology and how it differs from astronomy. Astronomers examine the positions, motions, and properties of celestial bodies, whereas astrology attempts to study how those positions, motions, and properties affect people and events on Earth. Now, would you like to know the name of few greatest astronomers of all time? Well, here we have the names: Claudius Ptolemy, Nicolaus Copernicus, Johannes Kepler, Galileo Galilei, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, and many, many more. So those are the few interesting facts about astronomy, little friends. I'll see you with another video about another field of study that starts with B. Until then, take care. Goodbye.